tasty. So guys, let's make this native sauce for eating roasted plantain. So first off, I get my plantains. So I peel my plantains and then I arrange them in a tray and then I roast in my oven. So I go on to cut my sweet bitter leaf otazi, and I also cut my onions. All these things would give you a very sweet taste. So the next thing I'll do is to set aside and get my little mortar. This mortar has been very helpful. So I'll just pound some fresh pepper and wow, it's ready. So you can imagine the excitement in me, like making roasted plantain bole. Guys, it's ready. So the next thing, I'll get my upaka. This is oil bean. Then what else? Oh, I'm super excited. So I get this little plate, pour in my oil, put salt, put Cameroon pepper, and I'll allow it sit a while on heat. So I put in my pepper, put in my onions, and let it sit a bit on heat. So I put in my upaka. Guys, I put in my bitter leaf, otazi leaves, and